Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of the Suzuki GSXR750 Moto GP. 2015 on a 15 plate, it's done 3,430 miles. It's a beautiful bike. These come standard with the Brembo brakes. You've got big piston, manually adjustable Showa suspension. This one's got a tail tidy on it. Yoshimura R11 exhaust. It's got the Yoshimura accessory pack on it as well. So coming across the bike, you'll just see how lovely and clean it is. I did say it had the full Yoshimura accessory pack on it, but the bar ends are missing. But it's got everything else: the protection, the oil filler cap. Like I said, it's got the Yoshimura R11 exhaust. They're a brilliant bike of these. It's got the standard rear sets on it, but you can actually manually adjust them as well. You've got plenty of different holes there. Tail tidy on it. Still got the cat on, but we'll give it a fire up so you can hear it. Coming across the bike, you'll see that tank lovely in the nice glossy blue with the fluoro coming through it. You get two different power modes on these. You get A and B, fully digital display with the analog rev counter, and there you go, there's your big piston Showa manually adjustable suspension. Well, there you go, that's the GSXR750 Moto GP. If you do want to buy this one, be super quick, these do sell fast. Get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.